These are our new chamber arms, and today we're gonna replace them from the rear. Now the wheel is off and you can see the chamber arms. This is one chamber arm and here it's another one. So now we're gonna remove both of them and replace with new ones with this one. The lower arm, it's easier to remove because you can just take the bolts out and remove the arm. For this one, I think you should to loosen the subframe. So we'll see how it all goes. If we will not have enough room to remove this arm, we are gonna loosen the bolts of the subframe and lower it a little bit, so we're gonna have much more space. On the lower arm, it's 17mm nut and 17mm bolt, and on another side is 19mm bolt and 17mm nut. Now we're gonna remove it. The lower arm, on one side is a regular bolt, on another side is a alignment washer. So if you see the point on the top, it should be in the same place, so you should mark it and put it in the same place, so alignment will be plus minus the same. When you'll put it back, the washer should be in the same position. Now we're gonna remove this plastic to get access to the swing arm, and after we'll lower it to remove the chamber arm. As you can see, the swing arm, it's loosened. We can lower it, and this will allow us to remove this bolt that holds the arm. Just remove the bolt, the alignment bolt, and this is our lower arm. Now we're gonna take a new arm and put it back. We're gonna replace it with this one. As you can see, looks much better. Just let's make it longer, because as you can see, this one is short. We'll make it the same size, and after we're gonna put it back. We just made it exactly the same size like old one. Now we're gonna tighten it and put it back. As you can see, one bolt is back. Now we're gonna install the second bolt right here. one arm is back. Now I should just put the alignment point back to its place where it was at the start when I removed it, and tighten this bolt. This bolt is tightened already. The swing arm is back, 2 nuts are back, and now we're gonna start to remove the front chamber arm. We have one bolt right here and another bolt is right here. Now we're gonna loosen all the bolts around the subframe and lower it a little bit to have access to remove this bolt right here. Now I loosen it, this bolt right here that hold the subframe, this bolt right here that also hold the subframe, and 2 small bolts right like this that are located right here. One is here, another one is here. I lowered the subframe. Now I have access to remove this bolt right here. Let's take it off and remove the arm. As you can see now, the bolt is out. The arm is free, and another bolt we're gonna remove right now. And this is the front arm. We removed it. Now it's time to put back another one. Now again, we should make it the same size. It's shorter, so we're gonna make it a little bit longer, and after we're gonna install it. one side. As you can see, the front control arm, the lower control arm. Now it's time to put the wheel back and do the same thing on another side. We're gonna replace the same two chamber arms, front and lower one. Also here we are gonna replace the shock absorber because this one is bad, so now we're gonna replace it. The same on our side. Before we'll take out the chamber arm, don't forget to mark the alignment bolt. This is the point, and make another point so you will know the position where it was, so the alignment will be similar. As you can see, one side is out. Now we're gonna remove the bolt from another side. The swing arm is all over it. Let's remove the arm. The arm is out. Now let's install another one. So let's make again the sides, and after let's put it back. The lower arm is back, is tightened. The front arm is back. Now let's put the bolt, and we're good to go.
you're never gonna make it. You're not good enough, there's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more.